Who was that sexy mama? Right. Hey.
Alright, what's good, Totally Team? It's your girl Totally Top in the building. You already know. Coming to y'all with a vlog today. First time vlogging in Philly or whatever. So today we're going to be going to the beach with my hold on. So today we're going to be going to the beach with my best friends. We're going to AC. And yeah, but guess how we're going to AC, y'all? On the train. So we're going to see how that goes for real. This is my grandma. Hey y'all. With a little net on. Doggies. Yes. We got some Wendy's.
I need mayonnaise.
Right now. Okay. And look how.
Where are you going? Get on one.
Which one we getting on? We're about to start driving off. They don't check our tickets before
They do. They're gonna check. They're gonna walk by with their little cutters, them little hole, the hole punchers.
Like on Polar Express.
Oh my God, it's like Polar Express. Can I be the little black girl who looked at them? She don't die.
She didn't die?
How the fuck would she die? You color-wristed asshole. This is a color-wristed asshole right here.
You hold the camera straight.
It is straight.
Yep, yeah. Shout out to the channel. Shout out to our Instagram. You can make a channel.
Oh yeah, shout out to my channel, y'all.
Right.
I'm horrible at posting, but I promise you I have a video coming up where I'm going to be having a mental breakdown while I'm smoking weed. It's amazing.
It's going to be a smoke session video.
A smoke session with Window. Because I really wanted to quit my job. I hate my job, guys. I really hate my job. Yeah, so add me on YouTube at Naeem Goins. Oh.
Not Instagram.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Naeem Goins. No, we can catch any train back. Like whichever, anyone.
What time is the train coming back?
Right?
Yeah, 10:20 or something like that. You don't got no outlets on here?
I got an outlet with some sign.
Oh, I thought it was going to get a tickets.
I wanted to get a punch. By the punch lady.
Because I saw the internet.
Yeah, I was like,
I was like, you can get a tickets.
I was at the Polar Express. They about to come out and perform.
Nah, they just ripped it. It was like no Polar Express for you.
Where that bombing at? Would they be on the bus?
1109 local service to Atlantic City. All local stops.
Oh, let's go.
Come on, mama.
Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it.
Come on, stop.
No,
that's how I feel.
What about everybody started singing though? Started getting lit. That would be crazy. But nobody on the train to get lit.
Ain't nobody on the damn train. I'm sorry, twatty.
Everybody get the name on. It's cool. Tally?
But I'm not just everybody.
I know.
Oh, we're moving.
She kissed me, y'all. I got kissed by a famous person.
Shut your ass up.
I know. But yeah. I got me some taller twatty. Period. With this lip's called Cherry Bomb.
Cherry berry.
Cherry berry. This is how you put it on.
Oh shit.
But yeah, we'll see you again when something interesting happens, or when we like, you know, get to AC. We're walking through the hood to the beach. So.
Oh yeah, that would be interesting.
An interesting time, right?
Like last year when I almost got kidnapped by the guy.
We're not gonna talk about that.
So we over the water.
Or whatever.
And this shit withering, okay. I don't like this.
Just like the bus.
The bus gonna be like 6 hours. But we squad deep. We did it. So I had to put the scarf back on because my edges was like frizzing up, and I don't got time for that. How far is it from here? I don't think it's that far because I see Caesars.
Wait, they know foul. I forget. I haven't been here in years. I don't know. I think we can walk.
We have to pay to get on the bus?
We can shut up.
Oh. I mean, we can wait. It shouldn't take that long, should it?
What?
I look crazy with this scarf.
It was hot as shit.
Ooh, this light right here is sensational.
yeah.
Look, Sandra.
I'm taking off my shirt.
Like a fucking, you like a fucking glazed raw
Ooh.
donut.
That was so ignorant, Naeem.
What?
A glazed raw donut.
Shut the fuck up. Hey, I'm recording. Oh my god.
Be careful, nigga.
I am.
All the Miss Americas on here.
Ooh.
Okay, Miss Americas.
We're the black ones.
We don't got Black Miss America, do we?
Yeah, I don't think anybody black red in this one. 1950, look.
Usually they be having like one black girl. No tokens. It smells like shit. You smell it. It smell like the zoo just now, but it just went away. Guess the store.
Michael Kors.
Guess the store. Guess the store.
Yeah?
I meant guess the store.
Shut the fuck up.
Shut up. I said what?
What about people using their mouth as a honk? Like, oh, when you
Oh, nigga, oh!
beep, beep, you in my way. Going, that would be crazy. So especially in school, bro, you'll hear that shit all the time. That lady probably be like, what the hell is going on?
And so I got an ass, take a big old fat motherfucking foot off your cheese, thick ass, nigga. Stop playing in my motherfucking face, bitch.
Oh, you spit right
That's
on.
what she said.
You
My
felt
foot get
that.
up off on dick, bitch. Stop playing in my motherfucking face, bitch.
Yo.
If you want to cool off, just be like Naeem, start talking.
Oh shit.
Bitch.
Oh,
Well, I actually didn't mean to hit you. I did not mean to hit you. I did not mean to hit you.
You know you got them long ass legs.
Yeah.
Michael? I'm not sure.
That's only one of the Asian games.
Sandra get one. Naeem get one. You better not.
Ew!
It's all hot.
Them toes probably was good at some point, too.
Probably.
Who got 6 of them though? Like, yeah.
This the candy store, boy.
You got any gummies?
She just got one. That's a big one now.
Too much.
That's a lot of gummy. So always love these, like as them being little small little thingies. They make them big. Look, they make them big. They used to be the SpongeBob big things.
Oh yeah, the little baby baggies.
Yeah.
These lifesavers.
So this is not like a juice. It's like a gummy. There's gummies in the side.
I'll be mad. Like I want to do.
Right. They got Trump tissue, bruh. They got Trump tissue. You see that? Trump tissue.
Thinking about.
Thinking about it.
Actually, don't want to.
Oh, okay.
That's a real iguana.
5 years old.
Oh, wow.
Come on, baby. Eat your banana. Eat. Here.
Oh, there's
Here
another
it
one
is.
down there.
Here it is.
I'll be scared to touch it.
It's so cute.
It is
They're
cute
very
though.
nice.
They're nice.
And they're good pets, and you let them, you know, they let you like you.
I'm scared.
He opened his mouth.
He don't bite.
He don't bite.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, you like that, boy. Aww.
You want to touch him?
I'm scared. Oh my
He
god.
can pet you like that.
Hey, baby.
Don't do that to the.
Look at this mannequin eyes.
That's a camera.
That can be a camera. She look like, I don't even know. She look, compared to
look-
this one, she chilling.
I don't know why you care about the monkey's eye.
No, but I never saw no mannequin eyes like that. Do she got hair? Oh no, she don't. Oh, sorry, baby.
Stop touching stuff.
Sorry, yeah, I'm gonna get out. So I finally took my scarf off. Or whatever. We out here.
The fuck?
Looking like a baddie.
Pants.
A
Bad bitch. A fucking bad
Period.
bitch.
We baddies.
Fucking 4 meal with the fucking dessert. So are you kidding me, bitch?
Yeah.
Period.
With the appetizer.
No fucking doubt. That's part of 4 meal.
Oh,
Fuck you.
okay.
You just wanted to say something.
You're just hype.
Do you want to
just
fight?
mad.
Do you want to fight?
So dessert would be a part of the 4-course meal too.
Dessert? No.
Yes, it would.
It would.
Would it? I don't think so.
That's dessert. Dessert is
Usually
different.
like a
Dessert
full
is a
course
course.
meal and dessert. It would be like that.
No, dessert is a course though.
Dessert is like not out. It's out the meal though.
It's a cute thing.
It's kind of like they ask you, like, do you want dessert? So we about to do the haunted house. Well, it's not really a haunted house, but it's like a sit-in haunted house. How y'all feeling? Ooh, hold on, wait, y'all have to turn this way. How y'all feeling?
Scared.
I don't want to be spooked. Oh, can I take a selfie in here? It looks so cute.
I guess. All right, y'all. So what y'all think about that mini haunted house?
That shouldn't have been that scary for us. For
It really shouldn't have.
It was very uncomfortable, but it was long as shit.
It was.
I didn't listen to the story.
Me neither.
Like I zoned out.
Because then man was like, he said something about the slaves. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh.
he was like, the girl was like, she went to her neighbor's house and talked to the slave because the slave knew about spirits and shit. I'm like, whoa. And then the slave, the one that put the spirits in there.
Yeah, I didn't know. And the slave was like into witchcraft.
I'm awake
Whoa.
now.
The slave was into witchcraft and shit like that. I don't know.
One of them little ass kids.
Yeah. I'm recording too. You want to be in the camera? Oh. Say what's up. What's your name? Inishi. Okay. Where you from? You from here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
I work down here for the summer.
Yeah.
But I live in Philly.
Oh, I'm from Philly. That's what's up. At least you working, you grinding. You better keep grinding. Nice meeting you. Oh shit.
Never say that.
Oh. There's some good lighting right here though. He trying to get his angles right.
Hey, babies. No, I'm recording y'all, Philly. We're out here.
Ah! Fun. Look at the seagulls. I never saw no seagull get in the water.
Oh shit, this is a different breed.
Like they really having a good ass time.
That's
Cold as hell.
What the hell?
I can actually see my feet in this water.
Who was that sexy mama? Right. Hey!
We about to leave the beach.
I'm sad.
We took some bomb pictures, so be on the lookout on our pages. Okay.
Follow me on Instagram, y'all.
Period. Naeem Goins.
Naeem Goins. That's NAEEMGOINS, like Goins, but like coins, like Goins. Forever.
Damn Fan.
Oh, damn Sam.
BXMN
I like Sam forever.
underscore
Period.
SAN. Boom.
Period.
Totally touched
12,
Instagram,
13,
y'all
14.
12, 13, 14,
Remember,
period.
our tattoos coming not this summer, but they
I'm
coming
a-
next summer, hopefully.
Hopefully.
One day, they're gonna be there.
Mine's probably gonna be right here. Yours probably gonna be right there too, Sandra. Where
Mine's
yours
gonna
be
probably
at?
be like right here or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna vlog that one, so y'all already know what the hell's going on. Finally at a place. We got Chickies and Pete's now. So yeah. So we about to eat good. What pizza is that?
I thought it was a self pan. I didn't know it was like a pizza.
Oh.
Big anything to a fucking church dog.
You really can twerk for anything.
Period. She looked disgusted.
I know she did look disgusted.
Like,
Poor, like what the fuck?
she nothing. She can't twerk like me.
Oh, Jesus.
It's like a music video.